Welcome back to Spell and Math Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to work with a problem where we're given an isosceles triangle and we need to solve for x. If you find today's tutorial helpful, please like it, share it, and or save. All right, now let's begin. With this particular problem, we have a diagram showing an isosceles triangle and we're seeing the lengths of the sides. If you remember the characteristics of an isosceles triangle, we know that two of the sides are congruent, and that also means that two of the angles are congruent. So in this particular example here, we know that this angle here, even though we don't know what it is, and this one as well, the opposite sides have to be the same length or congruent. So knowing that information, we're going to set these two expressions equal to each other. So here we have 2x plus 25, and we're going to set that equal to 59. And now we have a basic algebra problem. We're going to subtract 25 from both sides. All right, in doing so, we eliminate 25 on the left-hand side. We just have 2x. On the right-hand side, we do a subtraction. 9 minus 5 to get 4, and then 5 minus 2 to get 3. And then we're going to divide both sides by 2. That's leaving us with an x. And then we have 34 divided by 2, or half of 34, which is 17. All right, so we found x to be 17. Now let's go ahead and let's verify our work here by doing a basic substitution. So we're going to take this expression here, 2x plus 25. Instead of writing the x, I'm going to write the 17. And then I'm going to write the plus 25. And we know that that should come out to be 59 because these two sides are congruent. So 2 times 17 is 34. And then we're going to add the 25. And again, that should be 59. Let's continue to work on the left-hand side. We have 3 10s and 2 10s. Well, that's 30 and 20 to be 50. And then we have plus 4 to be 54. And then 54 plus this 5 to be 59. So we see that we have 59 on both sides of this equation. So here we know that we are correct in saying that x is 17. All right, that sums up this tutorial by Spell and Math Tutorials. And please remember that if you like this tutorial, please share it, like it, and or subscribe. And as always, have a great day.